shadows, he shines so bright, telling every soul that there's true light. He's bringing the word, spreading love all around. On this old path, we're together, we're bound. With Yeshua guiding, the truth will unfold. Every step we take, it's a story retold. Join us here on the old path, where love ignites. Oh, he's got the message, bringing hope to the night. If your heart is right, everything's gonna be fine. So come along, let your spirit align. In the echoes of the wood, hear the whispering breeze. Oh, peace shows the way, putting minds at ease. With soulful rhythms, he raises the sound. Every voice united, breaking chains all around. He's got the courage, walking side by side with the light of Yeshua, our eternal guide. No fear in our hearts, just a spark of grace. In this beautiful journey, let love find its place. Join us here on the old path, where love ignites. Oh, he's got the message, bringing hope to the night. If your heart is right, everything's gonna be fine. So come along, let your spirit align. Through the journey, through the trials, we lift up our voice. In the rhythm of truth, we rejoice in the choice. Oh, he leads the way, with faith as our shield. In the warmth of his words, every wound is healed. Yeshua is the life, the way we embrace. With each step we take, we're covered by grace. Join us here on the old path, where love ignites. Oh, he's got the message, bringing hope to the night. If your heart is right, everything's gonna be fine. So come along, let your spirit align. So take this journey with us, let the light shine bright. Oh, he's on the path, leading hearts to the right. With joy in our steps and love in our sights, we're walking together into the bright. Everything's gonna be alright if your heart is aligned. On this old path, we're bound to find. With Yeshua in our hearts, let the truth ignite. Oh, he brings the message, we'll be alright.
Hey y'all, I'm back at it again. I tried to kind of straighten up my shop a little bit. Hopefully you can tell it a little better. Got a few things put away. Still gotta clean that top off, but it's hot. I'm gonna go in, take a shower, and sit under the air conditioner. I do have a milk cone. I got a letter from Josh Helms, and I got a letter from Jason Strapolano. Hope I didn't tear that up too bad. But I had already filmed these, and y'all, these are some awesome letters. I sure appreciate y'all. Y'all keep the community going. That's for sure. Y'all absolutely keep me going. Keep me motivated to come out here day after day and do what I do. Sometimes my back just gets to hurting so bad, that's all I have on my mind. But I can sit down and watch y'all for just a little bit, and I get motivated to come on out here anyway. The truck you seen, I finally sold that bench that I had posted, and now I got a little little money I can play with. And I think I got enough that I can go get the parts I need for an old truck. And y'all probably seen it on one of my past videos. Having a little bit of an electrical issue. I don't know if it's in the cables, the starters, or I've got something else crossed over or burn up or what's going on. But I'm gonna tear into it tomorrow. I'm gonna take the starter off of it. Part store is gonna test it out, see if it's all right or not. Then I'm gonna work it from there. I'm gonna probably change all my battery cables, both the ground and the hot, and try to get that thing back going. But I filmed all this once before, and I don't know what's wrong with my camera. Maybe my sound card or SD card, whatever you call it, is about to go kaput with me. But I filmed this once before. We got Jay Creates and electric Whittler in. Let's see if I can get y'all down here where I can show you. That's where I put Jay Creates. He got a nice little sticker there. And I also got the electric Whittler right there. If y'all not subscribed to him, please go subscribe. Great guys. Really great. Really great. And we got Grumpy, Knuckle Busting Numbskull. He's a good fella. Got Ray, my buddy. There's Rusty, another buddy. Think the world of him. Baron, the boss lady. Great channel. Creation does something. That's another Josh, another great channel. Off Track Syndicate, that's one of Rusty's channels. Got Only Makes, got Perry the Carbon Wizard, Jay Creates, Electric Whittler, got Dad Cars up there. Y'all check all of these guys out. Got some projects coming up, that's why I got these two pictures up there. But y'all check out all of these guys. Wonderful people, they keep the community going. A lot of entertainment and a lot of good information. Check them out. Hey guys, I know the world's in a bad shape, but just remember, keep looking up, because everything's gonna be all right if you're right. Be right tonight, friends. Adios, amigos.